up, everyone? I'm going to be showing you how I make candles today for our newest project, Healing on Eden, which we started during quarantine and found out that we're actually really good at making candles. So Kasan and I decided to work together, like, fuck it, let's just make some candles, and it happened to turn out amazing. So yeah, we just want to keep going with it now that our lives are coming back together and we're going where we need to be. I recently just moved to Las Vegas with Kasan, and I never thought I'd be a Vegas bitch, but here I am. It's hot as fuck. Kasan just recovered from her explant. She was suffering from breast implant illness and she was getting really sick, so we had those removed and she's feeling much better now, which is fucking awesome. We have a long history, it's a funny history, but we connected at the very first solstice, and ever since then we just knew that we were like connected, and we've just been this powerful source of craziness, but we ground each other somehow in all the madness. So what we want to do with the brand Healing on Eden, obviously we're in music production and event production, and there's none of that going on. So Kasan is a healer and she wanted to do medicines, and just like healing, aromatherapy and candles fell under that, which was our first kind of dive into that brand. Healing on Eden will go everywhere. It'll go everywhere that Midnight in Eden goes. So we're going to incorporate it into our festivals. We want to make body soaps, body lotions, oils, serums, all that kind of stuff that's like healing and makes you feel good. In the future, when Kasan is fully healed, she will be making some serums, oils, tinctures, medicines that we will be putting inside these, and we'll be playing with containers like these as well. I get to make my own candles and experiment with a bunch of different scents and a bunch of different calculations. The wax that we use is a paraffin wax, so it's smooth and opaque and it burns really slow if you do it right, which I do. It's cool because I figured out a good temperature at what to burn the wax to and pour the wax at, so it can have that nice, even, long burn. What we really want to do is give you guys a candle that's worth your money. So a candle that burns a long time, smells really good, and is pretty and it's cute, because after learning about how candles are made and percentages and weight and everything, I learned that a lot of companies are kind of using half the oils for their candles, so they don't last as long, and the throw, which is like the scent of the entire room or how far the scent reaches, isn't really that big. With my candles, I use the maximum amount of throw because I am dramatic, but I also want to sell something that lasts long, burns slow, and just overall smells good. I make each candle individually, so it is kind of time consuming because I want to make sure that the all concentrated into that specific candle. I think that where a lot of big companies go wrong is they make giant tubs of wax and the oil doesn't get dispersed evenly, but I know that I'm putting the maximum amount of oil in each candle, which makes my candles, I feel, to me, special. Package it up and usually ship it that day or the next day.
This is the greatest moment of my life.
If you got this far, thank you for watching and letting me be me. I just want to say that I love you and thank you for allowing us to do that for you.
Bye.